In this video, let's talk about how to use the MyFICO app for credit monitoring. To do this, you need to download the MyFICO application onto your device and make sure that you register, which is by verifying your legal name, your address, your date of birth, and then simply adding in your social security number. You'll need to choose a membership level, which includes a free plan as well as a premium plan, which has its own benefits, and you need to simply set up your biometrics. Once you have logged into your account, you should be able to see a similar screen being displayed, and your credit score would be visible, or your FICO score would be visible on the top. Now within the dashboard, you will be able to track your scores as well as view different sort of reports within the section, as well as you will be able to monitor for identity alerts. You'll be able to enable the notification on different events, such as to receive instant updates regarding any sort of unauthorized or newly opened credit line. So this is the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.